Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between 1080 and 4K on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and switch between 1080 and 4K. One reason might be because 1080 uses up a lot less battery. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and then you're going to go ahead and swipe up. Once you swipe up, you're going to see the different frame rates, but this is the resolution that you see here. So right now we have at 1080, then you have 2.7, and then you have 4K. So we're going to go ahead and set it to 4K, swipe down, and in order to confirm whether it's 1080 or 4K, you can see at the bottom there that it says 4K. So that is how you go ahead and switch between 1080 and 4K shooting on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, keep in mind that if you do decide to shoot in 4K, it is going to drain your battery faster. I believe you can only shoot around 2-ish hours or less on 4K. But if you use 1080p, which is what I use, and the quality is really good, you can go ahead and shoot for up to 3 hours on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So that's pretty much it though, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.